Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Vogue cover outfit in DTI. So if you're ready to hit the virtual runway like a Vogue cover star, in this DTI tutorial, we are building a high fashion's editorial ready outfit that screams glamour, style, and star power. So let's just get started. So first I'm going to just use the hair. So for the hair I'm going to use this hair in here and color it the same. I'm going to use this color. Okay, I'm going to add this bangs with the same colors, of course. And now let's just start with the outfit. So first, for the outfit, I'm going to use this top. I'm going to just use the top in here, this top too, and color it black. Okay, like this. And now I'm going to put on this sleeves, color it also black, but I'm going to make it short sleeve. Here I'm going to put on this shocks with no fur and color it black. And for the skirt I'm going to use this one and again with black color. And here I'm going to put on this warmers and color it or change the color with this leopard pattern. You can just find it here under patterns category. Okay, you can try between these two patterns. I think I'm going to use this one, and also the hand shock I'm going to use this patterns like the warmer like this. And for the shoes I'm going to just put on this shoe in here and color it all black. Now you're just going to put on some accessory. Here I'm going to put on the necklace. Okay, I'm going to just use this one in here and I'm going to put on this bandana. Let's use this one, color it black, and I'm going to use type 2 and use this headband. So this is the final look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Like if you wear this in real life, comment your dream magazine cover look, subscribe, and also click on thanks for more DTI fashion hacks. Bye.